Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. Multi-award-winning singer and businesswoman Feli Nandi has been honored with a 2026 Toyota Fortuner 2.6 GT6 and $50,000 United States dollars in recognition of her work promoting African culture through music, fashion, and enterprise. Wiknau Chivayo presented the gifts that described Feli Nandi as a phenomenal woman and the true definition of a hard worker with an extraordinary gift. He says her songs teach, inspire, and heal. The post praised the Afrofusion sound, likening her to the late Chiwoniso Maraire. It also highlighted the restaurant Gwanandi for selling African-inspired apparel and serving traditional African cuisine, calling it a true reflection of the national vision being championed by the First Lady Dr. Auxillia Mnangagwa. Since 2019, the First Lady has promoted indigenous dishes through the Amais traditional cookout competition. Women like Feli Nandi who have heeded this call are the uncelebrated heroes that Zimbabwe deserves to honor, Chivayo stated. Feli Nandi was commended for breaking the stereotype, creating employment, and building a legacy. The post concluded, please go and see Victor at Exquisite Motors and collect your brand spanking a new 2026 Toyota Fortuner 2.4 GT6, which has been fully paid for. You also receive $50,000 United States dollars. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.